And in a new development in Pune crash case, police today revealed that the juvenile's blood samples were replaced, which is why the report showed no alcohol traces. The Pune police have arrested 2 doctors of Sassoon General Hospital for alleged manipulation of blood samples and destruction of evidence. The police claims that the doctors threw away the teen's blood sample and replaced it, and have seized the CCTV of the hospital. The teenager was initially granted bail by the Juvenile Justice Board, which also asked him to write an essay on road accidents. But following an outrage over the lenient treatment and a review application by the police, he was sent to an observation home till the 5th of June. Let's first listen in to what the Police Commissioner of Pune, Amitesh Kumar, had to say. And after that, my colleague Rakesh will be giving us more details on this case.
फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट से ये पता चला है कि जो ससून हॉस्पिटल में सैंपल कलेक्ट किया गया था, जिसको वहां के डॉक्टर ने सील करके ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नाम लिख करके वो जो फोरेंसिक को भेजा था, वो सैंपल उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नहीं था। इसके बाद जो डॉक्टर हैं जिन्होंने सील करके ये रिपोर्ट फोरेंसिक को भेजी थी, उनको कल हमने डिटेन किया था। उनके प्राथमिक तपास में ये बात सामने आई कि उन्होंने जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का सैंपल लिया था, लेकिन उसने उसको डस्टबिन में फेंका था और उसने किसी और व्यक्ति का सैंपल से उसको रिप्लेस करके उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नाम लिख करके उसको फोरेंसिक लैब को भेजा था।
Yes, definitely, and that is the apathy of this entire case is that how rich people try to manage each and everything, as Tejashwi was also saying. But now the police is also looking out for the new characters in this case, whether they were the mediators between the family and the doctors or not. Since the father allegedly contacted the doctor and offered the bribe, and 3 lakhs rupees was just the first installment to one of the doctors. Whether any neta was involved in that, whether any police officers were involved who tried to mediate or contact them with the doctors, that is still being investigated by the cops. And apart from that, the various CCTV footages, remember, they are taking the blood sample of the accused, throwing it in the dustbin and using somebody else's blood sample so that no traces of alcohol is found in the blood sample report. But it was the forensic report that came yesterday that somewhere exposed that the DNA sample of the first sample was not matching with the accused, and that is how it got exposed. And somewhere the Pune police already had this tip-off, and that is why the second sample was collected. It is as claimed by the Pune CP, and these 2 doctors were under the detention of the Pune police since last evening, and only after late night they confessed their crime, saying that yes, we did that, and they were not even imagining, they did not even expected that this will come up or this will be exposed in such a manner. So they were very much confident that they have done their job in the best way to support and benefit the accused, and they were supposed to get a good monetary benefit out of it.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.